work for Florida Cancer Specialists, which is a community care oncology group, and I feel like the benefit of having these offices close by to home is that we can provide all the standard treatments, including chemotherapy, other cancer treatments, radiation treatments close to home, so you don't have to travel long distances to get the same treatments. We have great physicians in each office to help guide you through this process.
You know what really drew me to Florida Cancer Specialists was kind of the best of both worlds in a way. You have all these centers that are community-based, get to interact with, not just a big academic center where patients are having to come to you, you get to treat them where they live. But you also have the ability to get them to clinical trials, you have the resources of a big practice, so you kind of get the best of both worlds there.
Trials that we have to offer at Florida Cancer, from the early phase all the way through late phase, and so it gives our patients a lot of treatment options that otherwise wouldn't be available to them, off standard of care sort of therapy lines. So that is a fantastic resource, and it's a great way for myself as a physician to stay on top of my research skills and how to analyze papers, which are skills that you acquire in training, but not necessarily something you keep up with if you weren't actively engage in research as we are here. So I think that's an added resource for the physicians as well.
The opportunity came to join Florida Cancer Specialists, which is one of the largest oncology practices in the state of Florida, but especially Central Florida. They have unparalleled resources in terms of patient care and patient resources, and even things like clinical trials. And so I had a great opportunity to come here, and that's why I did it.
When I was in fellowship, I heard about FCS. We work with a lot of the physicians here, and I really liked the way the practice was run and the way that they take such great care of patients. I came to interview in Lee County, and I just love the group of doctors here. I think they're very committed to the care of this community. I like how they interacted with each other. I felt it would be a good place to work, and I wasn't wrong. I'm glad I joined.